New at 9, if you've been seeing more semi-trucks pulled over lately, it's because they're going through one of their inspection blitzes. We share the road with thousands of semi-trucks each day, so it's important for authorities to make sure truck drivers are following the rules of the road too. One of the most common violations are overweight, height, and length. But there are many different things that Highway Patrol is looking for when inspecting the trucks.
We look at the company matrix, make sure that they're not under out-of-service order and that they have the proper operating authority. We also look at the driver to make sure the driver's fit, prevent driver fatigue. There's some critical inspection items that'll put a truck out of service. But we're looking at the whole truck and the condition that we find it, not the condition that it's in tomorrow or yesterday, but the condition we find it.
And all of that is to keep you safe. There have been parts of trucks fly off and hit other cars, which can injure a driver or passenger. Now, I've broken down the different inspection types on our website, along with what a carrier business says about the inspection process at fox43topeka.com.